Hello everyone, welcome back to another English class. Today we will continue with the unit in the workplace, but we are going to start a new part, which is solving customers' problems. So today we all gonna do is just get familiar with the vocabulary and repeat. Okay, that's what we'll do. So what I'm gonna ask you to please do is listen to the word. The second time you are going to repeat it. Okay, then I'll show you an example. All right, that's all we're doing today. So we'll start with the first one.
Apologize. Apologize.
Apologize. Apologize. An example of apologize would be
He apologized for his mistake.
he apologized for his mistake.
He apologized for his mistake.
Let's go to the next word. Remember, I'm going to play it one time. The second time, you're going to repeat it.
Baked potato.
Now this one, I'm going to play it.
Baked potato.
And you repeat. Baked potato. Baked potato. An example of that in a sentence.
I'll order the baked potato. I'll order the baked potato.
I'll order the baked potato. I'll order the baked potato.
Barbecued chicken. Barbecued chicken.
Barbecued chicken.
I think you'll like the barbecued chicken.
I think you like the barbecued chicken.
I think you'll like the barbecued chicken.
I think you liked the barbecued chicken.
Clam chowder. Clam chowder.
Clam chowder. Clam chowder.
I want soup. I'll order the clam chowder. I want soup. I'll order the clam chowder.
I want soup. I'll order the clam chowder. Clam chowder is a soup. Something you can actually order at the restaurant.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
The server said, enjoy your meal. The server said, enjoy your meal.
The server said, enjoy your meal. The server said, enjoy your meal.
Free of charge. Free of charge.
Free of charge. This means it's free, okay? Free of charge. You don't have to pay for that. It's a good thing, right?
This coffee is free of charge.
This coffee is free of charge. This coffee is free of charge.
This coffee is free of charge.
This coffee is free. I don't have to pay for this coffee. That's what it means, okay?
Hostess. Hostess.
Hostess. Hostess. Hostess.
The hostess took us to our table. The hostess took us to our table.
The hostess took us to our table. The hostess took us to our table. Hostess.
It won't be long. It won't be long.
It won't be long. It won't be long.
Your food will be ready soon. It won't be long. Your food will be ready soon. It won't be long.
Your food will be ready soon. It won't be long. Your food will be ready soon. It won't be long.
It's freezing. It's freezing.
It's freezing. It's freezing. When it's cold, right? That's what it means, that it's really cold. It's freezing. A temperature that is very low that could freeze to the level of ice or not of snow.
Can you please close the window? It's freezing. Can you please close the window? It's freezing.
Can you please close the window? It's freezing. Can you please close the window? It's freezing. Freezing, it's cold.
Mistake. Mistake.
Mistake. Mistake.
I sometimes make mistakes when I speak English. I sometimes make mistakes when I speak English.
I sometimes make mistakes when I speak English. I sometimes do. Just like we all do, right? We all make mistakes one way or another. We're not perfect.
Order. Order.
Order. Order. Notice that the letter D is soft. Order. D. Order.
He ordered a salad for dinner. He ordered a salad for dinner.
He ordered a salad for dinner. He ordered a salad for dinner.
He ordered a salad for dinner. Ready. Ready.
Ready. Ready.
She isn't ready to leave the party. She isn't ready to leave the party.
She isn't ready to leave the party. She isn't ready to leave the party. Ready.
Reservation. Reservation.
Reservation. Reservation.
Our reservation is for 6 o'clock. Our reservation is for 6 o'clock.
Our reservation is for 6 o'clock. Reservation.
Right away.
Right away.
Right away.
Right away. Now, right?
The server came to our table right away. The server came to our table right away.
The server came to our table right away. The server came to our table right away. Now, in this instant, right away.
Spaghetti. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
He always orders the 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 spaghetti.
Steak.
We like that.
Steak.
Steak. Steak. I'm getting a little hungry just by mentioning these words.
I want meat. I'll order the steak. I want meat. I'll order the steak.
I want meat. I'll order the steak. I want meat.
I want meat. I'll order the steak.
I'll order the steak. By the way, happy Father's Day for you guys. Yesterday was Father's Day, so I'm sure that some of you have some steak. I did. Next one.
Table for two. Table for two.
Table for two. Table for two.
Mark and Diana need a table for two. Mark and Diana need a table for two.
Mark and Diana need a table for two. Table for two people.
Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup.
Vegetable soup. Vegetable soup.
Here's a carrot and onion for the vegetable soup. Here's a carrot and onion for the vegetable soup.
Here's a carrot and an onion for the vegetable soup. Here's a carrot and an onion for the vegetable soup. Vegetable soup. Well, I believe we completed them all. And those are the majority of the words that we will utilize in this unit. So you can see better. We go back one more time. Clam chowder. Enjoy your meal. Free of charge. Hostess. It won't be long. It's freezing. Mistake. Order. Ready. Reservation. Right away. Spaghetti. Steak. Table for two. And vegetable soup. So these are the words that we are going to concentrate on in this chapter. And then you are going to go to student lessons, in class lessons, I'm sorry. You're going to click on that. And we're going to go to the next one, which is solving customer problems, which is 5, right here. I'm going to click on it. And we will begin this segment with number 1, and where it's asking you to solve some problems. In this lesson, you are going to watch a video about customer service. Then you're going to role play conversations with customers, okay? Here we'll describe customer service problems, identify and suggest solutions, use expressions to apologize, use a friendly tone of voice. That's what we will be doing in this chapter, okay? So we're going to get ready for that. We might be able to see the video, okay? If not, we are going to first analyze what's happening here, okay? Let's look at it. What's going on here? Seems like there is 2 people, right? And there is a waiter, okay? So maybe let me ask you, does the man, does he seem to look happy? Is he happy? Not really, right? It doesn't give you the expression that it's happy. What about her? Is she happy? Doesn't seem that way. Okay, what do you think is the problem? Something, right? Something is happening here. Well, what we are going to do, I'm going to ask you to please go over the vocabulary, as tomorrow we will go back to this. We'll start right here, and we start looking at what is going on with these people, what is happening. So the questions will be, where are these people? Who are they? Is there a problem? How do you know? And what do you think the server will do? Okay, so this is what we are going to talk about and cover during class today. All right, I will see you in a little bit.